Hello everyone, my name is SARA SULTHANA and I am from Deccan College of Engineering and Technology and my qualification is MCA. I am 2024 passed out student and I joined Jspiders in the month of July in the year 2024. I am an incubation student and I joined in the month of July. After that I took break for 2 months because of my semester exams and I joined again in the month of October. Then after that, I got trained with Manjunath sir and Kaushik sir for the Java class and Reshma ma'am with web technology and SQL with Karishma ma'am and also programming class with Pawan sir. And I got placed. The package is 3 LPA and the location is Hyderabad itself. And I joined this J Spider Institute to upskill myself, and it is worth it to join here because I have upgraded my skills. The way the trainers teaches is from basic to advanced level, which helped me a lot. And the grooming sessions and mock interviews helped me a lot because with the mock interviews you get real-time experience. And this interview grooming session helps a lot. Like what questions they will ask and all the trainers will tell us. So JS Fighters have helped me to upgrade my skills. Thank you.